Welcome to our fun phonics lesson. Today, we are going to learn a new letter and its sound. Are you ready? Yeah! Let's begin. Today's letter is letter A. This is capital letter A. And this is small letter A. Let's say it together. A. Excellent. Now, let's learn the sound of letter A. Letter A makes the sound ah, like in the word apple. Say it with me. Very good. Here are some words that begin with the ah sound. Apple, ant, alligator, arrow. Let's say them together. A for apple, A for ant, A for alligator, A for arrow. Great work! Let's sing a short rhyme. A says ah in apple every day. Ah in ant that likes to play. A says ah, hip hooray! Let's play a quick game. I will say a word and you tell me if it starts with A. Ready? Ball. Does it start with A?
No, ants.
Does it start with A?
Yes.
Dog. No, apple. Yes. Great job.
Well done.
Today, we learned letter A,
The ah sound.
and words like apple,
Ants, alligator, and arrow.
Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.